Hey, good morning, guys. We still in the same campsite. We just got done waking up. About to start washing my teeth now. We still in Idaho right now. We're about to start heading to San Francisco. And so far, we get a little bit daylight. 6 in the morning right now, where I'm at. But let's get my teeth all washed up. Get our face freshen up a little bit so we can get back to the road and continue our journey driving to San Francisco. So let's get our teeth washed. I'm gonna open this damn bottle. Gotta get these teeth washed. Just got done washing my face, brushing my teeth. Oh man, now it's time to get back in the Navigator, get everything situated, and then get back to the road. And now we are ready to go. I got my video right there on the side, just loading up, so I can have another video up for y'all guys. But we're leaving this campsite now, just getting back into the highway we was at yesterday, and let's continue on driving. So beautiful. It's a lot of land out here, a lot of open land. But just down this road here, we can continue on. And it's gonna lead us to our main road that we need to be on till we can get back to the highway. And just up here, we come back to the road. We gotta turn to the left over here and get to the main highway that's up here. Up here is the ramp to get back onto the highway. Get back onto 15 South. And just down here is the highway. And we are now officially on the highway, guys. Back on Route 15 South. We're just gonna take this for 31 miles to Route 80 West. Once we get to Route 80 West, we're gonna drive that all the way to San Francisco. So let's enjoy these views all around us. Enjoy this beautiful morning. And let's have a nice day today. We'll try to have a nice day. Let's keep on driving. It's our self-service. About to get this Navigator a little washed up real quick and get it nice and clean for the road. Oop, I think I did it wrong. And booyah. What's going on? Put the foamy brush on. Cleaned up. We all finished here. Just moving this tank up here to the vacuum. Do a little quick vacuum up here to the front. Give it a nice and freshen up. Take some of the dust out of this damn van from all our little campsites. Just move it up here. So we are now at the vacuum. Take all this line out. And then start vacuuming this inside, cause look how dirty the inside looks. Just gotta put the quarters in there, it takes 4 quarters. Hey, good morning. And now let's get this thing vacuum here. So guys, they actually gotta move over to another vacuum over here, because that vacuum wasn't sucking up nothing. It was going hard, but it wasn't sucking up no dirt. I think it's like clogged up or something. So let's go to the next one over here on the other side. So we're gonna try this one. Hopefully this one sucks up. Yeah, this one works a lot better. Now we're just cleaning up the passenger side. We got done cleaning up the driver's side over there. And this vacuum right here works way better than the other one. I was nothing like that. But I was just wasting my money over there. Oh yeah, she nice and clean. We got done vacuuming in the back. Just gotta wipe everything down now. I mean, and organize everything. I just moved everything, made it look sloppy just now. But just gonna put all this stuff over here and dry the outside up. My wife wipes the inside. So let's close these doors and start drying the outside. Navigate all cleaned up again, you know what I mean? She was dirty. Can't leave my baby dirty. Gotta have it shining on the road. Even though this is a little quick wash, but it's better than what it was. She's gonna be a lot cleaner. And she's all washed up. Now it's time for us to get back onto the road and continue what I drive. We just had to freshen the navigator up. Well, I'm actually gonna gas her up now and get her a full belly before we go. If I can find my key somewhere. Oh, here it goes. Let's go right across the street and gas her up. Give her a nice little full tummy. And just over here is the gas station I was talking about. We just gotta turn this thing all around so we can get to the pump that's over here. Because everybody else got the side that I need. So just turn it around and gas her up. We just got done gassing up. The navigator's on full again. And she's nice and clean. So back onto the highway we go. Just gotta look for the ramp to get onto the highway. here, get something to eat, and gas the navigator back up because she just drunk all that gas that we gave her. But we right here, get into this little township here. It's coming off the exit now. Guys, we just made it here to Burger King. We're about to get something to eat, and I'll see you guys once we get back onto the highway. Just got done gassing up. We right now getting back onto the highway and continue on with this drive. We just stopped here at KFC. I'm starving. Whenever I got me hungry. We can continue on with this ride in a few once I bust this grub. So guys, we just got done eating, and now we're back on the roads. There's a little township here. And this is what Malka, whatever it's called, but we in Nevada. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if you guys can see the sign up there. That's actually how you pronounce it up there. Or Narco, whatever it's called. But it is what it is. Beautiful little township here. Got some nice views throughout the sides here. Got some nice little mountain views. Nice little old little village here. So guys, that's how you actually pronounce the name to this township here. It's right there on the wall. So if y'all know how to pronounce that, that's the township we in. But right now we just driving out of it now, get back onto Route 80 up here, continue Route 80 going west, making our way to San Francisco. We got still like 5 hours and 30 minutes, well 40 minutes. But we're gonna continue on and let's get back on this road and let's continue on with our journey. And just up here we coming up to Route 80, well 80 west, because 80 east is right here. So if you're going eastbound, you're going over here on that ramp. But we're going west because we're going back to the west coast. But we're going to continue going to the west coast, down to California. And we turn ahead, making our way down to the west coast. Once these two cars over here go by. And we are now going onto the highway on Route 80 West. Continuing on with this journey. Hey guys, it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm tired. We had a crazy day today. We were just driving since 6 in the morning and I'm exhausted. So we're here inside the truck station now. We're about to start freshening ourselves up here. We actually go pay for a shower and go take a nice little clean shower. Well, a good shower, because we've been taking showers with the little pump drone I had. But I mean, we gotta take a nice good shower with a real shower and just relax ourselves and take a night. Well, call it a night right here at the parking lot. Also, it's like a little service plaza. So we can actually rest our head here and just sleep for the night here also. So that's exactly what we're gonna do, because I'm exhausted. I don't think I could drive anymore, and we're only an hour away from San Francisco. So we're gonna wake up early from here and head to San Francisco super early and explore San Francisco for tomorrow. But I'm exhausted right now. I'm gonna go in there, relax myself, go take a quick shower, and come back over here and call it call it a night. Not an early night because it's 10 o'clock, but we're gonna call it a night and wake up super early tomorrow and enjoy our day tomorrow. So we're in a truck station now. And we're about to go pay for these showers and take a nice little shower. $60. Just looking for our room, our shower room number. We are number 7. And I think the massage chair is closed. Might just go underneath it. You see how I'm in desperate need. Number 8. Number 7. Gotta be in this corner straight, yep. And we're already in the shower now, guys. About to freshen up. So guys, we're about to actually freshen up. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow once we wake up and all that stuff. So peace guys, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's adventures.